This is what's happening with this engine. This flywheel is stuck. It doesn't move at all. I don't know what the problem is with it, but something could be broke inside and jammed in between the piston, stopping it from moving. But I've been doing a little bit every day on it. I've loosened the flywheel up. I need a puller to pull that flywheel off of there. And also there is if you look down on the bottom here, there's a shaft that goes up into the engine. I already took the bolt off for that one. There's a belt underneath it that has to be removed. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a belt underneath that has to be removed that's up top. I took the bottom one off, but the top has to be removed. And then there's 4 bolts underneath that I have to get under there to remove in order to take the engine off. I've turned the flywheel, and doesn't seem to be any compression in the engine, so that's not a good sign. And I've disconnected the fuel line wires from the ground, from the side of the engine over to the other side, and pretty much there we go. This is what she looks like. This is a 19 horsepower Briggs & Stratton, and of course I tried to get the numbers off. Serial number is here, but the numbers are so worn on this thing. There's no way I can tell what they are. I've tried everything possible. So what I'm going to end up doing is tearing this apart by taking off the starter, take off the contacts, the solenoid contacts to the flywheel. I took the flywheel off, as you can see right there. And I'm going to take the rest of these coverings off here. It's metal covering, just so I can get inside the engine. This is the fuel pump that I'll be replacing. Rev, he tried to glue it and all of that, but I think it might be better just to replace that. And carburetor, I don't know if you can see the carburetor. This is the whole carburetor setup here. I'll be taking that off, and when I do that, then we'll open the engine up. And I saw some of the issues that Rev had and some of the issues that I have now. So one of the things I noticed when I took off the head of the lifters right here was this gasket. It was blown. So this is a head gasket, and right in the middle there, if you can see right in the middle, that is split. And when I took off the head on top here, if I can see it, show you it, right here, right in this area here is where oil was slipping through, and it shouldn't, burning on the piston, so forth and so on. Anyway, I still got a little more to go to get it out, but I was looking inside, and if you notice here, one of the gears broken right in half. I guess it goes up here somewhere. I'll figure it out when the time comes, but anyway, that's broken in half. And I haven't really gotten down to, but I'm going to pull this out, and as you can see, the lifters will come down. This seems to be okay, although there are little metal fragments all on it. I'll be cleaning all of this up. And if we look in here, if I can turn this, oh yeah, here's some more. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Whatever this is, it must be the bottom of the piston. That's what we gotta take care of here. Hold on a second. Okay. I can take this whole gear out, push this piston up, take this whole thing out of here. As you can see, oh no, this crankshaft, it's pretty scored up. That's not good, because it should be nice and smooth. I might have to try to find another crankshaft somewhere, used crankshaft, because that's pretty scored up. I don't know how. I guess by the part being broken, I don't know, but that's definitely not a good sign for that, so I probably have to replace that. One of the other things, there's some more broken pieces. Broken pieces here. That I'll have to deal with. And of course, the piston arm. Maybe if I push it completely straight up, pull it straight out this way here, pull it back. Gotta find a way to get this out of here. Just jammed in pretty good. But anyway, as you can see, the piston arm right here, completely busted up. Those pieces, this here is a part of it. This is a part of it. And it like goes on the bottom around the crankshaft. It really ruined the crankshaft up severe. So that's that in a nutshell. The other thing I'm going to have to look for when I get closer is any cracks in the body. If there are any cracks in the body, I might have to just get another engine, or see if they got any parts online or something like that. I can't tell with it all dirtied up right now, but that's the gist of everything there, Rev. Hello everybody. It's been a few years since I took this thing apart, and I didn't record putting this back together, but I got some of it back together, and what I'm going to do is put this bad boy together completely, and then we will get back to you on that. Okay. Finally got this closed up. Everything is all closed. All of the nut padding is torqued. Same thing with my cylinder head. Everything is torqued at 220 inch-pounds. I just put my valves in. So it's kind of automatically adjusted, but I'm going to make sure I adjust them before I close it up. And we're going to move forward getting this thing together. Alright. Okay. I want to thank God for the ability to try to help my salvation project here. As you note that I got everything back together, and I've been cleaning things up, and I don't know, I think this battery is not good, so I'm putting a charge on it, a quick start charge with my battery charger here, electric start. I can start a car with that. Here we go. I'm going to try to start it up and see what happens here. Okay. Sounds like there's some success. I guess I have to do some adjustments on it, and I'm just excited about this.